One of our favorite features, trailing stop loss. This feature adjusts your stop loss while your position is rising in value. In this example, we have filled in a trailing stop loss of 3%. When a position hits 10% profit but falls back to 7%, the trailing stop loss will kick in and the position will be sold. If the position doesn't fall but rises to 20%, the stop loss is adjusted and will sell if the position falls back to 17%. You can arm your trailing stop loss from a certain percentage profit. This is to make sure your position doesn't get sold with a loss.